In this video, I will show with you how to sign up in Mukuru. So friends, let's get started. If you're interested, go to Google and search sign up and Mukuru. Click the first result here. This is for sign up, or you can click create account. The same thing here. When you click this option, you will see this page. From here, write your all details, such your names and email address and password. After that, when you write your all these details, click accept the term and conditions, and then you will get the next step. From this next step, write your all details, such your display name. I will make this for example, display name. And then after write your display name, write your or nationality here. For example, United Kingdom. And then for this option, write your RCI residency, specify race, and then click complete your registrations, and then click start learning. So friends, I create account successfully without any problem. So guys, if you have any question down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.